So the next few sheets we're going to classify or call just miscellaneous sheets. They may or may not be on a plan set. It all depends on your jurisdiction and your location. This particular one here is a pollution prevention plan. It's something that this county does. And if we take a look, it's got some interesting notes on it. Gives you a purpose of what it's for. Talks about leaks and spills and releases, and over here it talks about a vehicle fueling and maintenance. Over here we've got some washout areas, discharging hazardous, toxic, sanitary waste, some other acknowledgments. So basically really telling the contractor how to maintain and keep equipment from contaminating the surrounding, whether it's soils or waterways or even neighboring properties, right? The next one here, this is some of the hydraulic computations of how, they did all the hydraulic areas. So it's calculation sheet. Same thing here, some more calculations. These are those all the storm sewer sheets that, show the type of storm sewer structure, pipe length, slopes, materials, all that good stuff. And here's another one that is basically proffers, conditions, and other calculations. So this is some of the requirements that they call proffers and conditions. Basically, it's whether it's easements or certain things that this subdivision has to have. Some proffers, what they'll do is they'll say that everybody has to have the same mailbox or the same some form of landscaping or something like that. It's a requirement of the subdivision that the county or the owner has put on. Typically, the county has put on this particular subdivision. And then over here, we have a maintenance and traffic plan. So in that area where they're redoing that road, there's going to be some traffic information and or detours that would be applied. So that wraps up this set of plans. So again, a lot of information on this set of plans. These last few sheets just talk about, again, just miscellaneous ones. So recommend you take a look at those.